kama Obacha Abokwanongwa kama no Nyechida. Or that is the only thing that makes me to come up today, being Thursday, 31st of September 2025. Please and please, I love my people, and I am fighting this fight for my people. I brought my life out for my people. I put my life for my people. I am endangering my life for my people. How can I come up and the people that I am defending, the people that I am protecting, I will now be turning around killing them? For what reason? Chineke bileli gwa noya akam docha. Gani anywhere unu chori je wega, but anybody wa were aham jela agbara. La jugese. My head ota always yoku. You in a mo gi hika. Okpukpo ge kpochapu family gi. Okpukpo ge mwana Biafra yemepe onu lomila. Ola hunu ha wela achunwa nke mmadu. Lenwe go nyo mejoro. Na mputara ilu ogu. Sino, these atrocities, this evil, this calamity, this Fulani caliphate, this Fulani jihadis, this Fulani invaders, that enough is enough in Biafra land. That is why they are fighting me truth and nail. And that is why they have been using my people against